Aikari a itura ria Nchaure Imenti ya rugongo mokirire na kimako thutha wa mwaki munene gucina na kuraga andu atano aria marakomete nyumba imwe.
This is a fire incident that took place at about 4 a.m. in the morning, and there are about 5 members of one family between the age of 3 and 27, and they all perished. And the police have visited the scene and taken the bodies to the level 5 mortuary Meru, and the investigation is still going on.
Andu a itura matinahota kuhoria mwaki ucio tondu ni uratheremete muno magitika abu. Aria marakuire mutino-ini ucio mari na gatagati ka miaka 3 nginya 27. Umwe wa aria mahutitio ni mutino ucio kirimi rwito ni oritie borithi meke uthuthuria na ihenya kumenya kihumo kia mwaki ucio.
They will say they have come to investigate, they have taken photographs, but we need proper investigation to be done so that such a thing should not happen again.
Borithi nao ni moritie mundu ungikorwo na uhoro wigi mwaki ucio amamenyithie. Riu kiama kia mutharaba mutune ni githondekete hema kuria aria mahutitio ni mutino ucio maguthie kuheo mataro. Andu a itura ni moritio matikahure muhu wa kihumo kia mwaki ucio tondu mahota guthahia uthuthuria.